Hello everyone! Welcome to Miss Mary's Music Theory Lessons. Today we'll be working on Julie Johnson's Level 4, page 8. Okay, we're going to continue with key signatures or flat keys. Okay? All right. Now, what's the order of flats? Remember this from last week? It's B, E, A, D, G, C, F, right? I want you to write them down up here. It's B, E, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. It's like a bead, right? G, gum, candy, C, fruit, F. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Okay? Now, when you draw the flats, you start with B first, in the middle, right? And E is on the top. E goes up. Now, A goes down again. And D, up. G, down. C, up. And F, down. So you go like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Okay? Let's do the bass clef now. No, let's do the treble clef first. 2 more times. B first. E, up. A, down. D, up. Remember, look, the line has to go through in the middle of the flat, okay? Now, G, down, C, up, and F, down in the space. Okay, one more time. Third line, B, E, up, A, down, D, up, G, down, C, up, and F, down. Can you do the same thing for the bass clef? B on the second line, E, A, D, up, G, down, C, up, and F, down here. Okay, 2 more. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Okay, one more time. Now, if I'm too fast for you, you can always pause. Pause it, okay? B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Good job. Okay, now, to determine which major key group of flats presents, name the next to last flat. Okay, name the next to last flat. Name the next to last flat. That's what you want to remember. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm going to show you now. There are 3 flats. First flat is always B flat. Second flat is always an E flat. And third one is an A flat, right? Yes. If there are 3 flats, first flat is B flat, second one is E flat, and the third one is A flat. B, E, and A. Okay. Now, next to the last flat is, this is the last one. This is the last one. What's the next to last one? It's E flat, isn't it? That's the name of the key. So this is in the key of E flat major. Okay, let's do some work. This is page 9. Okay, number 9. Name these major keys. You have 1 flat. Which flat is that? Okay, let's write the order of flats. It's B, E, A, D, G, C, and F flats, right? Yeah. Now, if there's one flat, it's a B flat. So write B flat. Make sure you put the flat sign. Okay. 2. This key signature must be memorized. Okay. So this is in the key of F major. Got that? If there's one flat, this is in the key of F major. Okay. Let's move on to question B. Now, 2 flats. If there are 2 flats, what are those? First one is always B, and second one is always an E. And this is how you do it. Look, first one's B, and second one is a E flat. So write them. B flat and E flat. Next to last flat is, okay, this is the last flat, and next to the last one is this, right? The B flat. So it is B flat. And the key name is B flat. Okay, in the key of B flat major, there's B flat and E flat. Great, let's go to C. Question C. Now, you have 4 flats, right? What are those? First one's B, B flat. Second one is E flat. Third one is A flat. And the fourth one is D flat. Bead, right? B-E-A-D. The next to last flat is, this is the last flat, which is D flat. The second to the last one is this, A flat, right? So this is A flat, and the key is A flat. In the key of A flat major, there are 4 flats, B, E, A, and D. Okay, let's do question D. We have B, E, A, D, G flat. Write them. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, bead, and gum, G flat. Last flat is G flat. Second to the last one is a D flat. So write D flat here. And the key is D flat major. Good. Now we're on page 10. Question E. The 7 flats are, first one's B, second one is E, third one is A, fourth one is D, fifth one is G, 6, C, and the last one is F, right? All 7 flats. Write them, please. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, bead, gum, candy, fruit flats. The next to last flat is, F flat is the last flat. Second to the last one is C flat, isn't it? So it's a C flat. And the key is C flat major. In the key of C flat major, there are 7 flats. F. Question F. 6 flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. C flat is the last flat, and the next to the last flat is G flat. So it's G flat, and the key is G flat major. Okay, now we'll do question G. 3 flats are, in order, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Second to the last one is E flat. The key is E flat major. Get it? So you always look for the second to the last one. This is last one, and this is second to the last one. Okay? Now, if they're all 7 flats, this is the last flat, and second to the last one is C flat, and that's the key name. Okay. Now, when we do this backwards, now, there's a given key signature. It says E flat major, right? Then we have to figure out how many flats we have in the key of E flat major. Okay, this is what you do. In the key of E flat major, name all flats from the order of flats. Now starting from B, like B, E, A, D, G, C, F, right? Including E flat, right there, E flat, then add one more, okay? Go up to this E flat and add one more. So there's B flat, E flat, and add one more, which is A flat. A flat is the third flat, isn't it? That's it. Again, go up to E flat and add one more. Okay, let's go to page 11. Number 10, page 11. Write the key signatures for these keys. Now A, question A. Key of B flat major. Now, name all flats from the order flats up to and including B flat, up to B flat. Then add one more, okay? Again, up to B flat and add one more, right? So B flat is the first flat. And add one more, so there's a E flat. Got it? In the key of B flat major, there's B flat and E flat. So write B flat and E flat, like that. Again, B for the bass clef and E flats. Now in the key of E flat major, that's question B. In the key of E flat major, what do? Okay, you go up to E flat. Now first one is B, the second one is E flat, and you go one more, which is A flat. There you go. Write them. B flat, E flat, and A flat. Do the same thing for the bass clef. B, E, and A. Easy? Flat keys are much easier than the sharp keys. Right here. Okay, now let's go to question C now. Okay. Now, it's a D flat major. So what do? Write all the flats up to D. So B comes first and E next, A, and there's a D, right? And do one more. B, E, A, D, G flat. There you go. So there are 5 flats. B in the middle, E up, A down, D up, and G down. Same thing for the bass clef. B down, E up, A down, D up, and G flat. Okay, let's do question D. Key of G flat major. Okay, so you're going to go up to G, the G flat, right? First flat is B, second flat is E, the third one is A flat, fourth one is D flat, fifth one is G flat, and go one more. What do you think? It's a C flat. B, E, A, D, G, C, and F, right? Okay, write them down. Draw the flats. Here we go. B, E on the top, A, D, G down, C up. B down, E up, A down, D up, G down, and C up. Good. Question E. The key of C flat major. Up to the C flat in order. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and one more, F flat. We have all 7 flats. Draw them. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. B down, E up, A down, D up, G down, C up, and F down. Good. How about page 12? Page 12, question F. In the key of F major. It's a very special one. F major, you have to memorize it. The key signature is 1 flat, B flat. Okay? In the key of F major, there's 1 flat, which is B flat. Write the B flat. And the bass clef to B flat. G. the key of A flat major. Now there's A flat, so you want to go up to A flat, right? In order, B comes first, and there's C. No, I'm sorry, B, E, A. There you go. There's A flat. And go one more. B, E, A, D. Good. Write them. Draw them. B, E, A, D. Same thing with the bass clef. B, E, A, D. Great. Good. Easy, huh? Okay, 11. Name these key signatures with their names. Okay, so let's do this one first. Okay, now when there are 3 flats, it's B, E, and A, right? A flat is the very last one, and second to the last flat is this one, which is E flat. So it's a E flat major. Okay, we have 6 flats. B, E, A, D, G, C. Now C flat is the last flat. Second to the last one is a G flat. So the key is G flat major. Okay, now we have all 7 flats. Last one is this, which is F, and second to the last one is C flat. Circle it and write C flat major. One and only. Remember, you gotta memorize it. F major. 2 flats, B flat and E flat. E flat is the very last one, and second to the last one is B flat. So this is B flat major. 4 flats, B, E, A, D. Very last one is D flat, and second to the last one is A flat major. Easy? Okay, 5 flats, B, E, A, D, G. Last one, G flat. Second to the last one is this. It's D flat major. Very easy, isn't it? Okay, then why don't we go to the page 13, and we'll be working on the major scales for sharps and flats. Okay, let's go on. Page 13, major scales. Here, major scale has 8 notes that are each a step apart. Okay, they begin and end with notes of the same letter name. Like this, D to D. So there are 2 Ds, right? Right here and here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you how to work on the major scales for sharps and flats. Okay, this is how you do it. Now, in the key of D major, so this is D major, right? What's the half step below D? It's a C sharp, right? Now, is C sharp the first sharp? No. F sharp is the first one, right? So there's F and C. See, there's F sharp and there's a C sharp. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and do the question 1 now. Okay. Here we go. This is F major. F major. Tell me, is this a sharp key or flat key? There's no flat sign, but this is a flat key. Remember, you want to remember this? In the key of F major, there's a B flat. So that's why there's a B flat. Okay? Now, A major. Is this a sharp key or flat key? There's no flat sign right next to it, right? So it's gotta be the sharp keys. What's the order of sharps? F, C, G, D, A, E, B, right? What comes right before, half step below A is a G sharp. So there's a G sharp. You want to cut it here. So you have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay? Let's go with F first. A, B, C, D, E, F. There's F sharp. And C sharp. So A, B, C. and a G sharp. So there's F and G. This is it. This is A major scale with F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Okay? All right. Then why don't we do one more sharp key? Here. Go to the very last one of the page. Now, E major. No flat sign right next to it, right? So this is sharp key. What's the order? F, C, G, D, A, E, B of the sharps. Now, half step below E it's a D sharp, right? Where's D sharp? Right there. So you want to cut right there. Okay? So you have F, C, G, D. You want to sharp those. Here's E, F. This is F sharp. C. This is C sharp. G. This is G sharp. And D. D sharp. There are F, C, G, D sharps in the key of E major. Then how do you figure out the flat sign, flat key? Remember this? B flat. Okay. What's the order of flats? It's B, E, A, D, G, C, F, right? There's a B right there. And you want to go one more, which is E. So you want to cut right there. So you have a B flat and E flat. Look, this is the bass clef. So you want to do B flat here. But look at this. This is the same B flat, isn't it? So you got to flat both. There's a B, C, D, E. Now you got a flat E now, right? So this is it. Got it? Okay, let's go to the page 14. Page 14, F sharp major. Do you see a sharp sign right next to F? Yeah. So it's gotta be sharp keys, right? Okay, what's the order of sharps? F, C, G, D, A, E, B. What comes right before F sharp? Here's F sharp, right? Half step before F sharp is E sharp. So E sharp is the last sharp of this major scale, this key, okay? Where's E? Right there. So we're going to cut right there. Okay? So you have F, C, G, D, A, E, all 6 sharps here. Sharp F, the first one. If first one is sharped, you got to sharp the last one too because they're the same notes. F is done. Now C. Now where's C? Right there. So this sharp C, G, sharp G, D, sharp it. A is right there. E, right there. So you sharp everything except B. Okay? Okay, this is F sharp major scale. Okay, now it's an E flat major scale. Is it a sharp key or flat key? Flat key, of course. There's a flat sign. What's the order of flats? B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Okay, now go to this E flat right there and draw one more. So it's a B flat, E flat, and A flat, isn't it? Yeah. Go for one more. Here we go. E flat. First one's flatted, then last one should be flatted too. Same E flat. Okay, now go with B flat. Here's B flat. We already did E flat and A flat. There you go. Easy. Yeah. Go on. Go to 2. Question 2. Okay. Here. Now I love C major because there's no sharps or no flats. Easiest, right? So you draw C to C. Can we do that? There you go. C is down here. You draw D. Give it a space between the notes. E, F, G, A, B, C. They're A notes. Okay, line space, line space. Okay, that's it. So you don't add any more, any sharp or flat. Let's do B flat major. Tell me, is that a sharp key or flat key? Obviously, this is flat key. What's the order of flats? B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Now you see a B flat here. And can you go one more? Yes, you can. So you have two flats, B flat and E flat. Draw the notes from B to B, okay? B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay? Now we on a flat B and D. Here's B and another one on the top. Now B, C, D, E. This is E flat. Okay? Good. Let's go to D major. D major now. Is that a sharp key or flat key? There's no flat sign, right? It's a sharp key. What's the order of sharps? F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Okay, how do you figure this out? Half step below D is a C sharp. Here we go. Half step below this D is this one, C sharp. C sharp will be the last sharp. Okay, now where's C sharp then? It's right there. You want to cut right there, okay? So there are two sharps, F sharp and C sharp in the key of D major. Let's draw the notes from D to D. D, E, F. Go ahead and draw them. B, C, D. Now what do you have to sharp? F and C. Now where's F? Right there, the third one. And where's C? It's up here, the seventh one. That's good. Go on to A flat major now. Tell me, is it a sharp key or flat key? Flat key. There's a flat sign. Write the order of flats. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Now there's A flat. Where's A flat then? It's right there, right? And you want to go one more, which is D flat. So you want to cut right here. And we have B, E, A, D. 4 flats. Right, draw from A to A. Here's A. This is the base clef. B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay, oh, my E is way a little too tiny. And the C is a little too tiny too. Ah, that looks better. Okay, now, so how do you do it? You go up to A and do one more. So there are 4 flats. Let's do B flat first. And let's do E flat. Let's do A flat. Oh, A is the first one. Then what do? You gotta flat the last one too. And there's a D. Here's a D. Okay, 4 flats. The key of A flat major. Okay. Let's go to the page 15. Page 15. The first one, G major. Is it a sharp key or flat key? It is a sharp key. Now, what's the order of sharps? F, C, G, D, A, E, B. You don't have to write them down, okay? Now, what comes right before G? F sharp. Where's F? Right there. So one and only, draw the notes from G to G. You're going to speed up, okay? G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, now what do you have to do? Sharp F. There you go. It's done. Okay, we'll do just one more then. C flat major. C flat major. Now, it's a flat key. There's a flat sign. Order of flats. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Now, go up to the C and draw one more. So we have all 7 flats, right? Okay, so let's draw the notes from C to C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And guess what? You're gonna flat all seven of them, okay? And actually it's 8 because there are C's. So you flat everything, every note. Good. This is it. Okay. Wow, we did a lot today. Okay, we'll do the rest of them next week, okay? Why don't you go ahead and review this, and we'll see you next week again. Bye-bye.